Morning guys, it's May 29th, 2025. So here I gotta go to a job I was on a couple of days ago, and this guy had a kitchen sink faucet that was slow, and I took the spout, it's a pull-out faucet, and I took the spout off. There was some sediment inside, there's a little filter in there. And I showed this flipping clown how to clean it out, but he can't figure it out. I tried telling him over the phone how to do it, and he's just non-responsive. He's just, you know, he's just not. Some people aren't mechanical. You can tell them how to wipe their ass, and they still couldn't figure it out. I tell them how to pick their nose, they'd be flipping lost. But anyway, I gotta go over there. It's an older couple, and they're retired. He's flipping brain dead, I think. But anyway, we're gonna go over there and take it apart and clean it out for them, because they want to change the whole faucet. It doesn't need to be changed. It just needs to be taken apart and clean the filter out. Whatever. You know, she's always arguing with me about, I give her a bill and she was, oh my God, it's how come it's so much? And she's one of these flipping crazy broads, always complaining about the price, you know. Probably gonna have to be a freebie this time. What are you gonna do? I mean, you gotta kind of try to keep these old buzzards happy. But anyway, that's the story. I bet you it's the flipping, the screen. There's a little screen inside on the spray, the pull-out faucet. You gotta unscrew it, clean the flipping screen out, and put it back together. I mean, flipping rocket science. Anyway, should be a quick and easy one. Yeah, it's not coming out with enough water. So,
right.
I mean, it's not that big of a deal to fix it. All you gotta do is that you're gonna watch me now.
Yeah.
All right, you just grab this here, and you could unscrew it. See, this unscrews.
Okay.
You just don't want to let go of the hose. And there's some stuff. It doesn't look like there's much stuff in there. There's an O-ring in there, though, and we don't want to lose that O-ring. There doesn't seem to be much coming out of the fucker. Doesn't seem to be much coming out of it, I'll tell you.
Oh.
Huh?
Uh-huh.
Unless I got it off down below or something. I mean, anything's possible. Let's see. It had a good flow there the other time when I was here yesterday. It was flowing good, wasn't it?
Well, yeah.
No, nothing, huh?
Yeah.
That's weird. Let's see what the hell's going on here with it underneath.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, everything's open.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that weird?
Yeah.
Could be the diverter in the faucet's bad.
Okay, what's a diverter? I know what a faucet is.
The diverter is inside this here, this on and off. I got the thing wide open.
Yeah.
How's the rest of the faucets in the house? Good?
Yeah.
Well, this thing's weird because it was working fine yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
All the valves are open, wide open under there. That's weird. I don't think there's anything in the... Don't look dirty to me. There's barely any water coming out of it.
Remain anchored in hope, even when the world seemed lost. Among my most intense spiritual reflections was, if you don't get your $50,000 final expense benefit this week,
Good
you
morning.
risk missing out on one of the largest senior final expense assistance programs in years. A groundbreaking assistance program will allow seniors to receive up to $50,000.
It's something else.
Something else. It's not that.
Starting in January 2025. You can benefit to pay for unpaid debts and other expenses.
You don't have much luck with these faucets, are you?
Unaware of this benefit.
No, not
No, it
really.
don't look like you're having much luck with
Tremendous
them.
opportunity. It's important that you check if you can get this
fixable?
benefit today.
I don't know yet.
Seniors are rushing to take advantage of this
I
benefit.
took it apart and tried to clean that screen out. The screen's not an issue.
Claim it. To do so, tap the Learn More button below this video.
It's hot, both hot and cold. That's an issue. So it's gonna be in.
Now,
Gonna be a
this is
diverter
probably
in
the
here.
last time you'll see this video. But separation. She wrote that what impacted her most
There we
was the
go.
sense
There's a
of
problem
finality,
right here.
the loss that
Wow.
came from freely turning away
Looks
from
like my
mercy.
flipping
It was still
veins.
available.
All full of
This
cholesterol.
difficult vision,
Oh.
her purpose was
Yeah.
clear. She wished not to stir fear, but to
Look at this.
open hearts. Her mission was one of love.
See this cholesterol shit in
of
here?
reconciliation.
Yeah.
She believed that no matter how far one had wandered, mercy
See this
remained within
cholesterol?
reach.
Oh,
Her
yeah.
voice, soft and steadfast,
That's not
continues
good.
to echo in the hearts of those
See that
who hear
cholesterol?
today.
It gets up inside the faucet and stops the flow.
Totally shaped
Okay.
by her message
You see that big club of shit I took out of
As a
there?
young
Yeah.
man enduring hardship, he found strength in her witness.
It was like
He said that he would
yo.
stop and pray at
That's
her
what's in
grave
my
for
veins.
years of
Oh.
labor and
Get that
Long
cholesterol
before
built
the
up.
white roads of the
Huh?
Papacy,
They put you on
he already
Lipitor.
begun walking the same
Right.
path of
Yeah.
trust as he linked within the church.
I'm on a statin.
She don't seem too happy with me. Huh?
Prayed in the
Well,
chapel
it's not
where she
your
knelt,
fault.
and the
I
sacrifice
have
Christ she
cholesterol
was
too.
Yeah.
When the
I
faithful
don't know. I
master
mean,
of
I could try to
canonization
clean it out,
was
but
Cardinal
there's
Washington
no guarantees here.
During the Second Vatican Council, he began gathering testimonies from those
There's a
who had
little
known
bit of
her.
shit in there. I don't know if
Their
that's going
words
to take
marked the
care of it. I
beginning
guess
of a
we'll find
careful
out.
and thorough investigation into her life and virtues.
What happens is that cholesterol gets built up, you know, throughout the faucet, and if it gets in the wrong area,
Purification process began.
then it won't work.
Obstacle. In 1959,
Oh,
a Vatican
here we go.
delegation had placed
It was just a load of shit in there. Look at it go now.
Over time, however, your translation
Yeah, now it's good.
study
Now it's working. Look at that.
in April of 1978, just months before Washington, the elected
Okay? So it was that cholesterol built up that got pushed through and it got stuck in the faucet.
Okay.
So I just cleaned it out. But you see that stuff that could get anywhere in the system and stop it.
Okay.
And if that happens, you're kind of like, there's nothing you can do about it. So I cleaned it out. We got lucky. All right, so it wasn't your fault after all.
In 1995,
I can't be blamed for
Divine
everything.
Mercy Sunday in Rome.
You can't be blamed for everything.
As the answer to a hurting world.
All right, so that's it. It's as good as it gets for today. We're gonna kick the can down the road.
At some point, needs mercy.
That's it. It's as good as
Years
it
later,
gets.
in 1997, he visited the shrine of Divine
If it starts blocking up again, you could try taking the spout off.
Yeah.
If it's not dirty in that screen,
Uh-huh.
then you're gonna need a new faucet.
Oh.
But to the power of a single voice that
So
chooses
we'll
trust.
keep our
even in
fingers
silence.
crossed.
In one
See, what they do is that as they make these new faucets, they make the parts smaller and smaller and smaller, and it doesn't take much to block it.
Experiences
Uh-huh.
not meant to alarm, but to awaken.